here we are at Ashley and Amanda Beecham's house in Rural View, where they bought a 28.2 kilowatt Aiko system and 40 kilowatts of Sungrow battery, the high voltage one. So they are going to save $10,000 a year, and while they're paying it off, they're still saving $3,000 a year, including their repayments and the new electricity bill. So essentially, they're getting paid $3,000 a year to go solar. It's not costing them a cent out of pocket. But don't take my word for it, let's go and have a chat with Ashley.
First off, we were looking to save some money off our power bill. We originally had a door knocker salesman come by and tried to sell us a solar system, and we actually did sign up, and as the days went by we started thinking about it, and it probably wasn't the best system for us, and we thought that we'd be better off going local, and then we got onto SnapSolar, and yeah, we went from there, and it's been awesome. I suppose originally we didn't really give batteries or whatever, or the size, much thought. We just wanted to get as much solar on our roof as we could. Thought that Sungrow was the best option for us, and yeah, it worked out great in the end because we've got the latest and greatest system. I'm pretty sure we're probably the first to have it in town, and yeah, that sort of worked out great. Our power bill normally for the 12 months was around the $9,000. Now we'll be saving well over that, probably around the $10,000 a year or more. I'd definitely recommend SnapSolar. They've been fantastic.
Yes, we have.
And yes, we have. Yeah, as we speak, my mum has signed up to get a new system installed, and yeah, she can't wait to have it done as well.